the stove. There we go. Now you have to get your oil. Let's open this up. The heat needs to be on low. And I'm going to pour in the oil, and you want to make sure the oil fills in the That's enough. Can you feel that love tonight? And then we will be needing some popcorn seeds. The world for us in perfect harmony. This is going to take me a minute, guys. There we go. Oops. Don't worry about that, I'll clean that up. You want to make sure you basically top on the pot and then just wait until the popcorn starts popping. I'm so happy, you guys. Woo. This is gonna be some yummy popcorn. You wanna make sure you don't put your face close to the pot, or else your face will get really hot. And yeah, just make sure you don't put your face like right here. It's popping. This is how you make sure it pops. Pop, 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 pop. Make sure you have oven mitts so your hands won't get hot. And shake it, shake it. Now what you want to do is turn off the stove. Is that turned off? Yep, that's turned off. And then you want to put it over here, right here. These are called yeast flakes, and what I want to do is want to take some on your hand, and then just sprinkle it on there. And then after you're done, mix. And then you want to shake the popcorn. Yeast flakes are very good for you. They're healthy. And yeah. And then what you want to do is you want to get your soap. Oh, that's creepy. Then shake that. Take your sugar, your yummy sugar. Just sprinkle. there you have it. Your own yummy popcorn. Healthy. This is good popcorn sauce. Oh well, let's get started with our Ovaltine. Today we're gonna be using hot chocolate. Let's make it. Oh, I think it's ready. I just warmed up my water, so we're gonna put in some of this. Okay, we're done with this one. See guys, that's how much it is there. Let's get sugar in. We put two full of sugar in here. Now we're gonna put in the... Oh, I forgot one thing. Cream. It is. So we're gonna be pouring in milk. Sasha, can you help me? Yeah, sure. That's enough? Okay. Bye. See you later. Now we're gonna mix it in until no black things. No bad things. See. Let's taste it. This tastes nice, you guys. Hey, Sasha, let's eat popcorn when I drink my tea. Okay, let me grab one of these. So let me have some. Okay. What do you want to talk about? Just talk about anything. Okay. I had a dream when I was in my bed. It was so peaceful. I was dreaming of popcorn. And a movie night with my mom. Oh, okay. This popcorn tastes yummy. Yeah. Don't you think? Tastes very good. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good experience at making popcorn and hot chocolate.